So this is a JCB. This is the way we are making to drain out our water from inside our home. So you can see here all the waters have been filled inside the room and everything has been destroyed. All our clothes, all our Godrejes, all our beds, everything has been filled with the water. You can see the slippers floating, shoes floating, everything is floating over here. So as you can see, the water has been gathered so much over here. Everything has been floating. So kindly pray. So kindly pray for our home, as this is just the starting of a rainy season and there's more rain to come in coming days. So kindly pray so that everything could be solved properly. So kindly pray for us. Thank you so much. You can see everything has been blocked, everything has been clogged inside the water. All our things has been destroyed. So you can see everything. So this all water came from this way. So kindly pray so that everything everything could be resolved soon. Thank you.